Micropipettes and How to Use Them by Paloma
and Olivia.
First, safety. Remember to always follow lab protocol by using goggles and gloves.
Let's start off with the importance of a micropipette. Micropipettes are used to transfer and measure very small amounts of liquids. With the measurements being so precise on a pipette, the instrument makes lab much easier and a lot more exact. For example, when working with something as small as DNA, you're not going to use a transfer pipette. You will be using the micropipette to work with a small measurement.
As you can see, this is called a plunger. When pushed, the plunger has two different clicks, a soft and a hard click. The first one is used to draw the liquid in, and the second one is used to fully empty the fluid from the tip. You can see me here pressing the soft click as it was easy to push. You will then feel the stop, and that's when you know when the soft click has ended. The hard clicks comes right after that.
This is the tip ejector button. This is the way to remove the used tip from the pipette. By pushing down on the button, the shaft pushes on the tip and pops it off.
Total final volume of 30 milliliters.
This is the volume adjuster. It is pretty self-explanatory. It adjusts the volume to the correct amount you need to draw in the fluid. Like this. Depending on turning it to the left or the right, you will decrease or increase the amount.
This part is the tip attachment. It is the end of the pipette where the tip goes. These are the tips. There are different sizes for the different size pipettes. Now let's start using the pipettes. When it comes to pipettes, there are three different sizes. The smallest one is the P20. It measures from 2 to 20 microliters. The second size is the P200. It measures from 20 to 200 microliters. And the largest size is the P1000. It measures from 100 to 1000 microliters. 1000 microliters being 1 milliliter.
When looking at our P20 volume measurements, the black digits are our solid numbers, and the red digits are the decimal points. To change volumes, turn the knob to the left to decrease the microliters. Turn the knob to the right to increase the microliters.
Now let's start using them. For example, let's take 12 microliters from the blue solution. First, you need to set the volume to 12 microliters using the P20 micropipette, like this. Now attach the tip to the micropipette, like this. Now let's draw the solution into the pipette.
To draw the solution, we press down the soft stop first. Place the pipette tip gently into the tube and release the soft stop while in the solution, leaving the blue liquid in. To release the solution from the pipette, place the tip wherever the solution needs to be transferred to and push down the hard stop. Holding down the hard stop, take the tip out of the solution and release. That will leave the liquid wherever it needs to be transferred to.
After done transferring, make sure to dispose of the micropipette tip. You can do this by pressing the ejector button. Always place the tip in a container where you know you won't use the tip again.
This is the end of our video on how to correctly use a micropipette.
We hope it helped you, and thank you for watching.